gonna attempt to cut this bushing out with my Sawzall, but I don't have very much battery life, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so what I did was I cut a section here and a section here, and now I got a chisel, and I'm just gonna pry this out. I actually got pretty lucky because this side was not as easy, but just go ahead and get that bushing out. There it is. Bam. Those are done. Got the new bushings in here. So I'll probably grab some sandpaper, scuff out that stuff on the inner side of that eyelet there, and then we can start putting shit together. Over here to the camper. Yeah, that'll probably work. Get sandpaper. And let's just roll this shit up. Get all this shit out of here. There's a chisel too if you need to. Yes. Put bushings in. Should be able to just push them right in. There's that. Do this side. That's it. So that side is done. This side is already done. Get the little homemade bolt plate I made. So it's nothing special, literally just a plate. So we got that all on. Now we can go ahead and put these bushings in. I already cleaned this, same thing, just pop them in. Get the other side. And get that up out of the way. Try to hopefully have the jack handle out of my way here. Simple enough. Just lift this leaf spring up and slide it on. I'll show you the other side. Okay. Pushing back in. Bring this up. There's that. Over here. Plate on. Put those. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything down, and we'll move up to the center bolts and getting the axle installed. The blocks. So we're gonna lower this. So we'll just throw that there, and pretty simple. Just set that on there. Set that on there. So got the jack under there. Just go ahead and get these all the bolts on, and then we can worry about the rest of it. Once everything's just on there, we can do the other side, and then we can tighten it up. That's all together. Got the jack under the rear end, so we can tighten those bolts up and tighten up the shock bolts. And then either we're going to be doing this drive shaft or the gas tank first. I can't remember which way was the way we did it, but I'll figure that out and then we'll do that.